Hi guys, I'm Desi and welcome to my new channel, Audacious Makes Eats. Feel free to correct me. I don't mean to bash any cultures or anything. We're just trying something new. Today we're going to be trying out some new foreign and exotic snacks. Audacious Makes Eats. Today we're gonna be doing a sort of, I wouldn't say it's a mukbang and I wouldn't say it's an ASMR. We're just gonna be trying out some new foods on this video from different countries. I don't know if it's a different country or a different state. We're gonna be trying some snacks from Korea and Japan. So first we're gonna be starting off with this apple gummy candy, and yes, I already opened it. I don't know what it says, but if anyone knows what it says, let me know in the comment section. They all look yellow, but they all look like dots. But I guess since they're all apple flavored, they're all gonna be yellowish. They taste kind of like apple cider. Really healthy for gummy bears. And I guess since we just had a gummy, we can try something different. Next we have this looking bar. I'm not sure what's gonna be in here, but it has a lot of cartoons on it. So I'm assuming it's like a kid snack, so that means it should be really sweet or like a chip or something. I don't really know what to think about this one. It looks like a giant Cheeto Puff without the sauce on it, and it feels like it has the same texture as a Cheeto Puff too. So when I taste it, I guess I'm gonna see if it tastes like a chip, because I think it's a chip. It's good, and like I said, it has the same texture as a Cheeto Puff. Will it taste like if you had a giant Chex Mix? Like, you know how Chex Mix tastes? It has like a powdery, cracker-like taste, but it's more like a chip. It's good. Let's see where I put it. It's really fluffy. So let me see what we're gonna taste next. This looks like a chocolate ice cream cone, but I know it's not ice cream because it hasn't been frozen this entire time. Maybe it's just the cone part of it with chocolate on the inside, like the little waffle cones. That's what I'm gonna guess. But I'm opening it up anyway. It's hard to open up. Okay, just 1 second. This is gonna take a minute. What, you can try out ice cream in the frozen drain? What, in a space food? Like something you would eat in outer space. Like how they be drying out all their food and taking out all the moisture from it. I think they dried out an ice cream cone. But let's see how it tastes like then. It tastes like they dried out an ice cream cone. It's dark chocolate. It has this milky flavor. And I don't know what to say about the texture because it does have the ice cream texture, but it's not moist and it's not cold like they normally are. It's good. I could give it that one. I can't even be hating on this ice cream because I'm gonna eat it. It's really good. This part of the video was laggy, but I suck at editing, so I'm not even gonna try and fix it. So next, we have 2 choices actually. I can either taste the wasabi flavor or the spicy flavored seaweed, I think. Little seaweed strips. And I think they're gonna taste like chips. I'm not a huge fan of spicy food, but I'm not a huge fan of wasabi either. And wasabi is supposed to be spicy, but it's not really spicy. So I guess we're gonna go with the wasabi. Let's see how it tastes. They are little seaweed strips. They're like crunchy. And they don't really have a smell to them. I don't taste the wasabi. I taste like salt and maybe a hint of pepper and a little spice to it, but besides that, I don't taste the wasabi. It tastes like a seasoned vegetable. Well, that is what it is, but it tastes kind of like a chip, like how they season chips, but it's not as seasoned. It's like a light flavor for it. It's good. Never mind, when you eat a lot at the same time, you start getting the spicy. Okay, we're good. And next, we're gonna be trying this. It has English subtitles underneath it. My bad, my battery on my phone went out. Anyways, it says it's a cheesecake, and I'm gonna make this quick, just so I can make an ending to the video. But let's test it out. Let's see how it tastes. It doesn't look like a cheesecake. It looks like a cookie. Oh, this is the wrong snack. Nigga! And I grabbed the wrong snack and I'm wondering why it doesn't taste like a cheesecake. But this is a grapefruit cookie. And it does taste like grapefruit. It has like a jelly on the inside of it. And I guess that's why it tastes that way. It's not half bad, but it's pretty good. Okay, so I can't find my cheesecake. So I guess this is going to be the ending of the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want. So yeah. Okay, this is what we're gonna do.